Good morning, students. Today I'll take a lesson from general knowledge from chapter 7, that is reported speech, grammar and language. What is reported speech, students? Reported speech is the report of one speaker or writer on the words spoken, written or thought by someone else. Means reported speech is when we talk about what somebody else had said. Now there are two broad categories of reported speech that have been recognized as direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech, indirect speech, what happens? In which the original speaker's words are quoted word for word, means it repeats the exact words the person used. And indirect speech, in which the original speaker's thoughts are conveyed without using the speaker's exact words, means the original speaker's words are changed. Now, here are a few examples of reported speech. Like simple present. In simple present, we use I always drink coffee, she said. And in reported speech, we'll say she said that she always drank coffee. Now see, in simple present, the sentence is like this. Inverted commas, I always drink coffee, inverted commas, clothes, she said. Now when we'll write in reported speech, it will be written as she said that she always drank coffee. Understood? Now the second sentence in present continuous. Now in present continuous, the words are said like this. I, inverted commas open, I am reading a book, he explained. Now in reported speech we'll write it. He explained he was reading a book. Now this speech has been converted to the third person. In simple past, inverted commas open, we'll write the sentence like this. Bill arrived on Saturday, he said. Now in reported speech we'll write, he said that Bill had arrived on Saturday. Understood? Now in future tense, and inverted commas open, I will be in Geneva on Monday, inverted commas closed, he said. In reported speech we'll write, he said that he would be in Geneva on Monday. Have you understood? This is the first person and this is the third person. Now we'll do the exercises from the book. Rewrite these sentences in reported speech. First, who is the best painter here? She said. She asked who the best painter was. Understood? Second one. What is the matter? Question mark, inverted commas closed. He asked me. Now, we'll write in plain simple sentence without inverted commas. He asked what the matter was. In third person, inverted commas open, what has he done to receive such laurels? Inverted commas closed, question mark, Gina asked. Now, we'll write in reported speech, Gina asked what he had done to receive such laurels. Understood, children? Now, we'll read the fourth sentence. I have never seen a student as bright as you, the teacher told me. Now in reported speech, the teacher told me that she had never seen a student as bright as me. It is clear? Now we'll come to the fifth one. The man said, I have to go as soon as possible. The man said that he had This is converted into past tense. Had to go as soon as possible. Now sixth one. Alice said, how clever I am. Alice explained how clever she was. Now seventh. Please wait here till I return. Ravi told me. In reported speech we'll write, Ravi asked him to wait here till he returned. Now the question, eighth one. Do you have a pen? Payal asked him. Payal asked him if he had a pen. Is it clear, students? If not, I'll do it once again. Now the second chapter, I have done it with you all for your pre-midterm exam. Now I'll repeat it again for you all. Let us improve our English. Now in this, it is very important to speak any language the correct way. I have put together some of the common mistakes we make while speaking English. Now the sentence has already been done. We have to write them correctly. There are some wrong words also used. First one. Could you repeat again what you just said? Now we'll write what is that? Which word is wrong here? It's not correct. Again. Could you repeat what you said? Just. What you just said. Sorry. Is it clear? I do not go swimming because I fear the water. Now, the wrong word is fear. So, we'll write, I do not go swimming because I am afraid of water. Clear? Third one. All the children did not eat their food. Now the wrong word is all and did not eat. We'll use none of the children ate their food. Fourth one. Tears rolled down my eyes. Tears rolled down my eyes is wrong. We'll rewrite it. Tears roll down my cheeks. My teacher gave me a good advice. Now, there is some missing. My teacher gave me, instead of a, we'll write some good advice. Sixth one. Our principal gave a small speech. In place of small, we write short speech. Can I have some more, please? In place of can, we will use may I have some more, please? Eighth one, she distributed sweets amidst her friend. In place of amidst, we'll write amongst her friends. Is it clear? Now, we'll come to the B one. What is the correct meaning of these words? Take the correct. Now, one word has been correct and 4 options have been given for the correct meaning. We have to put the tick for the correct answer. Bemuse means puzzle. Curieux means unusual object. Palette means artist's paint board. Now, fourth one, sallow means yellowish. Tiara means crown. Is it clear? Now we'll come with the fourth one. How good are you at spelling? C1, sorry. Here is little exercise for you to find out. Rewrite the passage with the correct spelling. Now, 2-line passage has been given to you all and you have to correct the spellings. Do not harass others or embarrass yourself. The spelling of embarrass is wrong. We'll write EMBARRASS. fulfill your ambition to skillfully. Now see skillfully, it's single L, we'll put double L. Maneuver. Maneuver spelling M-A-N-O-E-U-R-E-R-E. This is correct. This one is wrong. The movable yacht conscientiously, thus befitting all and practice at the center. Is it clear? 3 word spellings are wrong. Embarrass, skillfully and maneuver. Now come the D one. Now there are homophonous words again given for you all. You have to write in place of the correct sentence. What are homophones words? Homophones are words that sounds alike but are spelled differently. Like wine, wine. Wine, both are words have been spelled similarly, but their meanings are different and their spellings are different. A drink made from the juice of grapes, it's wine, W-I-N-E. A climbing plant, vine, that is V-I-N-E. Comparative degree of wise, it's wiser, W-I-S-E-R. A part of helmet, it's wiser, V-I-S-O-R. Part of a poem, it's verse, V-E-R-S-E. Comparative degree of bad, worse, W-O-R-S-E, worse. Worn under a shirt, vest, V-E-S-T, vest. A compass direction, west, W-E-S-T, west. See, all are spelled the sound, it sounds the same but are spelled differently. Be different, vary, V-A-R-Y, vary. Be careful, W-A-R-Y, vary. Is it clear, students? Now, in pangram is a sentence that contains every letter in English alphabet. For example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. In this sentence, from the quick till lazy dog, you just count the number of alphabets. All alphabets from A to Z come in this sentence. For improving your writing, you can use this sentence. Now, when you ask someone their name, do not say, "What is your good name?" Just ask, "What is your name?" Remember, Oberon is my surname, not my title. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.